Hi, this is Ryan from Seagull.com. Today we're going to demonstrate how to get back into your kayak. Inflatable kayaks are very stable. It takes a lot of force to flip one over. If you do go overboard, first stay calm. Second, if possible, hold on to your paddle. In most cases, your kayak will be close by. If not, swim on over to it. If your kayak flips over, it's easy to right it from the bow or stern. Put your paddle inside, hook your arms over the pontoon, and pull yourself up to your belly using your arms with a big scissor kick. Next, swing your legs in, and you're back in. It's a good idea to practice this technique before you head into rough waters. Thanks from Seagull.com. If you like this video, subscribe to our link for more. Have a safe paddle, and we'll see you out on the water.